Most people get this wrong when they hear about cash advance apps. They assume it is free money with no conditions. But that is not how it actually works in real life. In this video, you'll get a full honest breakdown of Albert in 2026. How its cash advance system works, its real pros and cons, and whether you should sign up or avoid it completely. And stay until the end, because I'll show you the one hidden detail that most users don't notice until they already get charged. Let's get straight into it. First, here is the truth no one tells you. Albert is not a lender in the traditional sense. It is a financial app that combines budgeting tools, savings features, and cash advances. So when you use it, you are not getting free money, you are accessing short-term funds based on your financial profile. Now here is where it gets interesting. Albert analyzes your income, spending habits, and bank activity to decide if you qualify for a cash advance. If your account shows stable deposits, you are more likely to get approved. If your income is inconsistent, your limit may be lower or unavailable. For example, Alex has a steady monthly paycheck. Albert may offer him a small advance when his balance runs low. But John, who has irregular freelance income, might not get consistent access. But here's the problem most beginners miss. Albert is not just one simple app. It has multiple features, and some of them are behind a subscription model. That means certain benefits, like faster access or premium financial tools, may require a monthly fee. Now let's break it down step by step. Step 1 is account setup. You connect your bank account so Albert can analyze your financial behavior. This is how it determines eligibility for advances and recommendations. Step 2 is cash advance eligibility. Based on your income patterns and account history, Albert may offer a small advance. This is typically meant for short-term emergencies, not long-term borrowing. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Albert also focuses heavily on financial coaching. It gives budgeting tips, savings suggestions, and alerts to help you avoid overdrafts. For many users, this is actually more valuable than the cash advance itself. But there is a downside you need to understand. The subscription fee can feel unnecessary if you only want occasional cash advances. If you do not use the extra tools, the cost may outweigh the benefit. In a minute, I'll show you who should actually use Albert and who should avoid it completely. If you are someone who struggles with budgeting and wants built-in financial guidance plus occasional emergency cash, Albert can be useful. But if you only want quick cash advances without extra features, it may not be the best choice. So to summarize clearly, Albert is a legit financial app, but it combines cash advances with paid budgeting tools and eligibility rules based on your banking behavior. The biggest takeaway is this. Albert is more of a financial assistant than a simple cash advance app. If this helped you understand it clearly, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns like this.